Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to Vibe's Kitchen, where so heavily recipes are made. Today, lovelies, on our menu, we have oven baked, peppered, and herbaceous tilapia. I love herbs so much that every time I make my food, I try as much as possible to infuse some herbs into them. And today's recipe is not an exception. I'm going to infuse some favorites herbs into it and you love the recipe. So go nowhere, stay tuned and be inspired. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. First of all, I'm pouring some oil into the frying pan. Once it's heated, I'll then add some of my favorite herbs into it, okay? And I'm using olive oil. Use any oil of your choice, okay? I've added thyme, rosemary, and basil. As it's frying, I'll take some out and then I'll blend them later together with some of the ingredients or vegetables that I'll be using, okay, for the um, seasoning. Now I'm adding onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, green chilies. Okay, I want all of these flavors to be infused in the oil. Okay, so in about 2 minutes time, I'll turn off the heat. And guys, we will continue from there. This is a must try recipe, so go nowhere and keep watching till the end. So as it's cooling down, let's go ahead and blend our herbs and then the rest of our vegetables. So I've added the thyme, basil, and rosemary that I fried into the blender. I'm going ahead to cut some onions and add them to the blender. Next, I'm adding my ginger. Use any amount of ginger that you can tolerate, okay? I've added like two thumb size of ginger and I'm cool with it. I'm now adding coriander seeds, black peppercorn, star anise seed, African nutmeg or calabash nutmeg, and shrimp tablet. Before I add the rest of the vegetables to them, I'll crush these ones first so that the natural seasonings can smoothen out, and then later I'll add the rest of the vegetables. I could have added them all at once and blend them until they are nice and smooth, but in this case, I do not want all of my vegetables to be that smooth. That is why I have decided to blend some of them first together with the natural seasonings. So now from here, I'm going to add some of the fried vegetables and then the rest of the unfried or the fresh vegetables. I'll just crush them within a minute or two, leaving some bits in them. I hope it's clear here. This whole process is optional. You can just add them once and for all in the blender and blend them just at once, okay? I'm now adding the fresh vegetables and I've got red chili, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and a quarter of red onion. I'm going to blend them, leaving some bits in them, or you can blend them until it's nice and smooth. Okay, it's by choice and preference. So now it's all done and it smells so amazing. I'm going ahead to transfer the infused oil and the herbs and vegetables into a bowl just like this, and I'll use the same frying pan to fry the blended vegetables just like this for about 5 minutes. Okay, this is an amazing recipe, so guys, keep watching and go nowhere. You will love it. Add salt to taste at this stage and then keep stirring to dissolve and distribute the salt evenly. After 5 minutes, guys, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Okay, this is an amazing aroma. So now, family, we're going ahead to make incisions on both sides of the tilapia. This is an amazing recipe, so keep watching and go nowhere. Family, so far, if you're enjoying the video, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share for others to see. Okay, and I really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here, so please subscribe to this amazing family. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, alright? And You never regret it. You love this channel for sure. Yeah. Isn't this beautiful? Both sides are done and they look amazing. Look at that. So we are also going to repeat the same process with this tilapia, okay? Make the incisions get to the bones because we put the seasonings in the incisions and this will make the tilapia taste great and amazing, alright? Next, pat the fish dry and add your pepper and herbaceous aromatics. And here we go. This smells so good. So far, I love all the flavors put together. Mmm, yummy, amazing. Lovelies, I'll also coat our fish with honey, okay? And it's optional. But for now, let's add our herbaceous and peppered aromatics, just like so. Make sure to put some of the seasonings or aromatics in the incisions. Make sure it gets to the bones. Put some in the head, some in the belly area. Make sure every part of the fish is seasoned, okay, and well coated, like I'm doing. Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video if so far you are enjoying the recipe, okay? And don't forget to also subscribe if you haven't already, yeah? It's now time to add our honey. If your blended aromatics or seasonings are mainly for seasoning and coating of the fish, then you can add your honey to them and mix them together before you use it on the fish or you coat the fish with it. Yeah? And that wouldn't be bad at all, okay? But I decided to add the honey this way because I'll use some of my aromatics for something else, okay? Now, after coating the fish, I'll just let them marinate for about an hour or two before I oven bake them, okay? 2 hours later, our fish are well marinated and they're going straight into the oven to be baked. But before they go in the oven, let's add some fresh rosemary into the head. Yeah, it's like so, just for flavor, okay? And add some basil also into the belly area for flavor. And now I'm adding the seasoned oil on the fish for some glossiness, okay? We are back. Ooh, this aroma is so magical. I love that. Now let's turn over our fish and add our peppered and herbaceous seasoning also on this side to be baked nicely. Now I'm adding some vegetables. Okay, I love that because I'm going to eat my fish with the vegetables. Yeah, so I just want them to also absorb the flavors of all the herbaceous and peppered aromatics. Beautiful. Lovely. So you can also bake your fish this way by putting the fish on the rack, just like so. Okay, so into the oven it also goes. The first batch is out, and ooh, I love this. This is so herbaceous, soft and glossy on the outside, and so moist on the inside. I love this. The whole pepper thing is giving me vibe because I've been craving for this for so long, and thank God I've been able to make it and I've shared the recipe with you, and I hope you've been inspired. Lovelies, for more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. And lovelies, I didn't waste time at all. I paired this herbaceous and peppered tilapia with jollof rice without tomatoes. You love this recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box. Check it out and be inspired because the recipe is healthy and nutritious. Thanks for watching. Bye you all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.